Next we are moving to the Lewis concept. As per Lewis, what is acid? An acid is a substance which can accept the electron pair. Which can accept the electron pair is acid. Then what is base? A substance which donates the electron pair. Which donates the electron pair is base. So what is acid? It accepts the electron pair. Base, it donates the electron pair. Lewis, he explained the acid and base based on the electron pair. We give one example here. Boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride, it reacts with ammonia. Boron trifluoride, it reacts with ammonia. Here ammonia it have lone pair of electron. Ammonia it have lone pair of electron. This arrow indicates that this lone pair of electron of nitrogen, it donate to boron. Boron trifluoride. In boron trifluoride, the boron accepts the lone pair from nitrogen. That is nothing but ammonia. Boron trifluoride, here the boron, it accepts the electron pair. It accepts the electron pair from ammonia. So what may be the acid? Yes, boron is the acid. Boron trifluoride, it becomes acid portion, and ammonia, it is a Lewis base. It is a Lewis acid, Lewis base. From this we can conclude the Lewis acid they used to electron deficient. They used to electron deficient. So what is Lewis base? It's electron pair donor. Electron pair donor. So Lewis acid may be positive ion or electron deficient molecule. Otherwise, Lewis base is a anion or neutral molecule with at least one electron pair of lone pair. At least it have at least one lone pair of electron. This Lewis base, they may have at least one lone pair of electron. Let us again see here. In boron trifluoride, it accepts the lone pair from nitrogen of ammonia. From nitrogen of ammonia, it accepts one lone pair of electron. Ammonia, it have one lone pair. It is donated to the boron. So now we are getting the coordinate covalent bond. So this arrow height we already know what is this coordinate covalent bond. Boron, it have 2p vacant orbital to accept this lone pair, which is donated by nitrogen. The boron, it have the vacant 2p orbital. We already learned that in coordination compound, the ligands act as Lewis base, and the central metal atoms are ions, or they are Lewis acid. Lewis acid base difference. Lewis acid and base difference. First one, Lewis acid are electron deficient molecules. Electron deficient molecule, for example, BF3, AlCl3, BeF2. They are electron deficient molecule. The Lewis base are molecules with one or more lone pair of electron. It have one or more lone pair of electron. We already saw the example in ammonia, isn't it? It have at least one lone pair. So molecules with one or more lone pair of electron, like ammonia, water, ether, alcohol, amino group, these all have at least one lone pair of electron. All metal ions are atoms. All metal ions are atoms. They are Lewis acid. Example, Fe2 plus 3 plus Cr3 plus Cu2 plus. they are Lewis acid because they are electron deficient. Then all anions, F minus, Cl minus, Cn minus, some of the anions are given here. Then molecules that contain a polar double bond, they all are Lewis acid. For example, SO2, CO2, SO3. We know what is the molecular formula of CO2, how it arranged, C double bond O and a double bond O. At least they have polar double bond. And molecules that contain carbon-carbon multiple bond. Here CH2 double bond CH2, CH2 triple bond, CH2 double bond CH2, CH triple bond CH. The ethene and ethane, they are the Lewis base. So first 3 points we discussed. First one, the Lewis acid, they may be electron deficient molecule. All metal ions or atoms are Lewis acid. They must have a polar double bond. Lewis base, they have at least one or more lone pair of electron. All the anions are Lewis bases, and the molecule which contain carbon-carbon multiple bond, either double bond or triple bond, they all are Lewis bases. Then fourth point, the molecules in which the central atom can expand is acted due to the availability of empty t orbitals. Because of the presence of empty t orbital, they can extend. Example, SaF4, S4, SF4, Fe, Cl3. SaF4, SF4, Fe, Cl3. These all are the Lewis acids. I hope you remember this concept we already discussed in VP theory in 5th unit. Then carbonium ion. We already know what is carbonium ion. That is carbon which contain positive charge. This is carbonium ion. And in Lewis base, all metal oxides, CaO, MgO, N2O, all metal oxides are Lewis base. Then carbanium, these are the Lewis bases. Until we saw the Lewis acid base difference. Let us see one example problem. In this problem, they asked to identify the Lewis acid and Lewis base. Cr3 plus 6H2O, it gives us CrH2O6 3 plus. There is a coordinate covalent bond. We already remember the ligands are Lewis base. The central metal atom or ion is a Lewis acid. In this reaction, the hydration of ion, each of 6 water molecules donates a pair of electron to Cr3 plus to form the hydrated cation. That is CrH2O6 3 plus, isn't it? Hexa aqua chromium 3 ion. Thus Lewis acid is Cr3 plus and the Lewis base is H2O. The ligand is Lewis base. The central metal ion Cr3 plus is Lewis acid. We got to write separately Lewis acid and Lewis base. We got to declare the answer.